Bird friends. Dickey was a pet canary who lived in a cage and always had plenty to eat. He was a very happy bird and used to sing and try to dance and even learnt to say "Pretty Dick." One day in the cold winter weather, a robin flew in and perched on Dickey's cage. He was hungry, as he had not been able to find much food out of doors, and Dickey at once picked out the biggest seed in his tin and held it between the bars to the robin. He gave him many more, and after that the robin came every day, and the two birds became great friends.